So we've got our piece of metal now. It's been measured and we're ready to cut. And there's two ways we can cut it. We can use a jeweller's saw or we can use some of these flush cutters. Flush cutters are really good for anything under 1.5 millimeters, and because this is actually 2, we don't want to wreck the flush cutters by cutting something too thick, so we're going to saw through this piece. So before I use my saw, I'm just going to pop a little bit of cut lube onto the blade. And then we're just going to gently saw through this. So when we're sewing, we want our peg to be at about chest height. And I'm just gently sewing through this. And this is the piece we're going to make our ring out of.